Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I'm going to talk about what is P2P into trading and how can you perform this into your Bitget wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Talking about what is P2P, first of all, it is a very simple process where one person can buy Bitcoin directly from another person or any other cryptocurrency. It doesn't necessarily have to be Bitcoin. Now, to know how to do it in Bitget, just simply open your Bitget wallet and after that you will get to see this homepage. Now simply tap to more options and after going into more, you will get this P2P option directly into market and trade. Just simply tap to P2P and after that you can choose if you would like to buy and sell. But this sell feature is not public yet, so by the time you watching this video, this feature might also be available into yours, but for now, I can only buy bitcoins or any other cryptocurrency into here. Just simply tap to buy button and then you have to verify your phone number, and into the third step, after entering your phone number, you have to enter all the details such as what quantity you would like and how much it is gonna cost, and just pay the amount and your trading will be successful. This way, you can very easily perform P2P transaction into your Bitget wallet. I hope this video is helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.